like I still had my glasses on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I was missing in action last week, but I was like, you know what? I need me time. I took it. I was mostly doing lives last week. You know what? Who cares? I just wasn't here. So guys, today's video is a makeup look. I have not dropped a makeup look in what feels like forever. That's a lie. I just did like how to do eyeshadow. Oh my god. Guys, so this is a Valentine's Day inspired. I'm gonna teach you how I achieved this look. It's gonna be a voiceover because Lord knows that if I would have done this talking, we would have been here forever. And I don't have time to be here forever, and you don't have time to be here forever. Oh my god. Guys, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, do what you do, and if you want to see something, or if you tried this look, let your girl know down below, because your girl ain't psychic. Okay. Don't forget to turn off your turn them off. Don't watch me, just turn them freaking off. Don't forget to turn on your notification button, that little bell, so you can see when your girl uploads and you can catch these fire looks. So I'm gonna stop talking, it's really bad. Peace out. Enjoy the video. Okay guys, so I'm taking Tarte Shape Tape, aka cement, and I'm applying it to my lid as my primer. This stuff is like cement, it won't go anywhere, and it's in the color Fair. I'm just blending it out with my finger. Then I'm taking the Morphe 12P palette, taking the white, and setting that concealer, not that it needs to be set because it's concrete. Then in the 12P palette, I am taking the hot pink and making it my transition, and then with a chubby brush, I'm taking the red and putting it in the inner and outer corner to make it look like a smoky pink red eye. Back to the concrete, we're gonna carve out, using a angled paintbrush, your heart. Don't worry if your heart looks a little bit crazy at first, because with that same angled paintbrush, we're gonna carve out with the red the way we want it to look. So we're gonna carve it out like beautiful artistes, make it really pop, make it thump on your eyelid like you are Mickey and Minnie Mouse in Disneyland. That's what I'm going for with this look. Minnie Mouse in Disneyland. She's just happy all the time. Then I'm taking a chubby brush, the same one and the red, and really applying it to the inner and outer corner. Take the NYX glitter glue, apply it to the heart, and then I took this like loose, translucent stardust powder. Don't ask me where I got it from, girl, because I got it when I was 13, stole it from my sister. Don't know, somewhere here in Miami, she got it for dance. Then I'm taking your run-of-the-mill glitter from freaking Walmart. Don't do this, you could lose an eye, but obviously I don't care about my sight, so I just went ahead and I did it because poverty's real, and that's what I used. Then I took the NYX white smudger, okay, or Blanc cream gel eyeliner, and I'm giving myself a fierce wing. I applied a lot because since it's pink, it made it kind of pinky, but then I liked the look, so I kind of stayed with it. And then you're gonna wanna apply it on the lower lash line and make a fake lower lash line so that you look extra ridiculous, because I wanna look extra ridiculous. I wanna be a cartoon. I wanna be a part of Disney World. And so that's why I did that. Don't judge me, just do it. Make a cat eye, extra large cat eye. Don't judge me, just do it. We're feeling clown vibes. I want you to feel the clown vibes with me. Then carve out your winged eyeliner with some of the red and the angled brush, the angled paintbrush, and then smoke it out with pink and red. Smoke it out on the lower lash line, and you are good to go. And what I did off camera was I applied my lashes, and I applied a little gem. Okay, I applied just a little gem, and you'll see that when you see me in the video. That's pretty much the explanation. No more explanation needed. Okay guys, so that was the tutorial. Very informative. Thank you, Jacqueline. Oh.